boarding group number 1. You may board the aircraft through gate number 111. This boarding group includes senior citizens, pregnant mothers, guests coming with children, or open to the room.
It's gonna be cute.
It's
Please.
gonna be cute, see?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Ay, hindi pa ako nakapaglagay ng ano. Nag-deodorant na ba ako? Hindi pa yata. Nakakamanto. Oh, walang tindahan. Wala na pupunta sa mga bakery. Oh. Mahal yan. Alam mo, ano mo siya ako naglalakad. Gewok!
Ay, ito. May ano, may pangalan rin. Picturean mo ng kapatid mo doon sa may pangalan.
Sandy.
Yun o. Tatayo siya dyan.
Daming pintura na. Wala ang pila.
Ganda, tanawin ah.
Saan tayo nasa Baguio? O Tagaytay? What do you think? Baguio or Tagaytay? Ito oh. Ito dinosaur park. Bakit walang pupunta dito? Bawal.
Hindi. Wala namang makikita masyado.
Ayun daw, seahorse.
Ha?
Teka, nakakalito eh. Saan ba tayo dapat pupunta?
Yan lang, may ano yan eh. Come on here. Ikutin natin lahat yan.
Oh, may carousel doon. Ang laki pala to. Saan tayo magpapasok na ganyan? Alam, ang init. Ah, pwedeng kumuha, libre. Ganda.
No.
Meron ba dito ang pet shop? Kukuha ka ng turtle. Oops.
Nabibidyohan ko lang buong paligid.
May panda, kukuha ka.
Dito ko.
Baka matutok ako ng kaya.
Sundan natin yung flow ng ano, mga tao.
Ganda ng ano, may garnet.
Yan, sarap naman yung hangin.
Mainit lang.
Ayan o, may mapa o. Park Amazing Asian Animals, Whisker Harbor, Cable Car. Ayun, doon, puro pa ganun pala.
Pero parang marami pa tayong hindi napupuntahan dito eh.
Oh, nasa bungad pa lang tayo eh. Ayan yung cable car oh.
Ayun, may pa ganun pa. Punta tayo talaga. Ayun, meron pa doon.
Iikutin natin yan ng buong araw. Come on here, on the seahorse.
Hindi na kita makita sa umbrella mo. May turtle dito, Mion.
Oh, turtle.
Amazing Asian animals.
Yung binili mo ba lahat kasama natin? O hindi. Baka may bayad ko mga suso. Feeling ko may bayad. Entrance lang yata binayaran mo.
Hindi, merong mga ano. Anong meron? Yan ba yung cable car? Ah, doon. Doon yung cable car. Kapatid mo rin.
Ayan po.
Ano yan? Ah, yung umiikot ni... Come on. Ah, carousel. We're going to carousel. Come on.
Ano itong Panda Wonders in Illuminated Journey? Illuminated. Ito rin, marami ka naman meron doon.
Kaya lang di pa ata gumagana. Mamayang gabi pa.
Hindi pa. Basahin mo nga yun, ayun no, yung may ano.
Mapa.
Baka meron yung ano eh. Tingin ko may mga entrance eh. Yung parang pinuntahan natin sa Tagaytay. Yung mga entrance.
Ayun, may sakasakay natin si ano. Bunso mo
Saan
doon.
yung daanan yan?
Ayun o. Ganda.
Wala, sakit.
Dito.
Oh, ayun, may ano, may mascot. Mascot.
Yes.
Hindi, doon yan, yan din yung daanan eh. Sumanga lang.
So, saan tayo dadaan?
Ayun o. You are here.
Saan tayo pupunta? Tinanggal mo yung chocolate dito? Wala naman siya.
Hindi, nilagay niya sa rep. Nilagay niya sa rep. Dito ata daanan.
Baka muna.
Come on.
Muna.
Come on, walking.
Sasakay tayo sa ano, ride. We're resting. We're chilling. Hindi kasi.
Kasya.
Oh! Oh! You like it, right?
You're shark.
You're like a princess burning
I'm a
fish.
silverfish.
See? Yay! I love it, Gogo. This is your dream life. Oh, this is your dream life. So this is your dream life, right? Yeah, this is your dream life. Diba? Dali na yun.
Oh, presenting the future. Asan yan?
Tatago.
Mabagal nga sila, di eh.
Ah,
Baliktad.
bunso, oh, tinan mo, oh. Look the face. Where is he hiding? Where is he hiding?
Turtle mo.
Ayun, may balahibo. See, sleeping. He's sleeping.
Parang bola lang siya.
Oh no, he's sleeping only. Oh, he's climbing on there.
It's the fastest.
Fastest animal.
Fastest animal in the world.
Eh, nagmamadali na siya niyan kasi tinatakasan niya tayo. Bali, iyan na yung pinaka 100.
Nagtatwerk siya di.
Yan yung pinaka 100% ano.
He's funny, eh? See?
Ayan, tinapat niya sa'yo yung puwet niya ko.
Gonna fart. He's gonna fart.
The slut's gonna fart daw, Daddy said.
Oh, come on.
Coco, the sluts are gonna fart at you.
Ah, panda, panda.
See, this is our dream life. Diba mo? Kasi ano, it's lahat. It's just dream life.
Tapos na.
Thank you.
That's the end of the world. Doon tayo sa ano?
Makakapagod pala ito, maikot.
Ha? Umiikot? Hindi. Sasabit na. Are you ready for some adventure?
This is your dream life.
Oh yeah! We're going to the sky on the top of the mountain. Oh no! Oh, it's too high now.
Round 3.
Brown tree.
Ooh. So scary.
Ang ganda nung sa taas.
Oh, look! Oh, boy! Daddy!
What? A bird? Oh, a big bird!
Wala naman diyan.
Ayun o, laki, ibon.
Saan?
Ano?
Hindi kong kita.
Taas na natin. Oh.
He's crying! Daddy, your husband is crying.
Oh.
Your husband. Look, he's crying. Look! Daddy, he's crying.
Ba't umiiyakan eh?
Nainis na ako kay Riri.
Oh.
Hindi mo na ako may pinagbigyan, Riri. Gusto ko lang na maging masaya daddy mo.
Taas. Ang sarap. Sarap ng hangin.
This Japanese is so big. I think it's abandoned. Do you know this? There's a yellow thing over there and seeds.
Oh, that's for the fisherman. Yeah.
But there's a
To catch fish.
but you should want to see it.
Oh, shaky.
Look the truck seats. And then, there's a trucks. Daddy, when we go to the seat, Daddy, when we go to
Kita mo,
the
naiinip ka pa. Ikaw nga ang may gusto dito. Okay, makamasaya.
when we go to there, we're gonna see the place, right?
Yes. See?
Look, there's
You want to
people.
go there? Roller coaster?
There's people there.
Ayaw na nga, hindi na bumabalik. Hindi umiintog dyan.
May sakay yung kabilang launch.
Kaya mga walang sakay eh. Nakita ko
Hindi
pa.
lang din kasi.
Tingnan mo to walang sakay.
Pero may sakay din yan. Bumabalik. Pero hindi ka mukha nung kasing rami ulit sa kanya. Kasi kung overloaded yung tao, laging may laman. Sabi, konti yung bumabalik.
Someone's swimming. Daddy, I saw the seed. Someone's swimming.
Ah, okay. Swimmer. It's a swimmer.
Oh, it's a swimmer.
It's a fisherman.
She's already gone. I think she's dead. Is that joking?
Kung pinakamasaya, enjoy ka dyan. Pero ito nga, tingin ko, ito yung pinakamaganda, mahaba eh. Kung papayag kang pumila pa ulit, is masarap.
Fresco.
When we
Saka
go to
malayo eh.
sea,
Oo,
when
malayo.
we go far away to there, there is a big fish.
Ah, okay.
There is
How
a
big?
like 100.
100 fish? That's so many.
Daddy, I found the seed. Here, there's a stuff here.
Ah,
It's dropped. Daddy, Daddy, I saw.
wait, wait, mami.
对，会懒的，瞬间就变成懒的，
Oh, see here.
都很享受，很享受。
Come on, next.
我頭先就係見到嗰隻啦。
係咯，喺個窿窿度食緊嘢。Come on.
Find
Ayun o. Hindi umagalaw.
Hindi nga siya gumagalaw. Baka natutulog. Ginagalaw niya yung paa niya, di ba gumagalaw?
Ayun, ayun, panda siya. Yan na.
Babalik siya sa'yo.
Yun, yung may dalang bato.
So cute. Wala, napagod na. Pixie, no? Galing.
here.
Yun o. Ang cute yung may bato eh. Ang cute yung may dalang bato eh.
Ano ginagawa niya sa bato? Pang-float niya.
Baka pang balance niya.
Kengkoy. Ang sarap naman ng langoy nila. Parang isang-isang. Nawa na sila. Kengkoy, no? Di? Kengkoy.
Ito to, mag-cute yung may bato.
I cannot leave you alone. I cannot. Gusto mo din yan, Mi?
Galing. Parang di siya natatabla ng tubig.
Cute siya, no?
Baby, where are you? Baby.
Diyan pa nga natin. Para madami. Mami.
Nagpapasikat sa inyo.
Oo, papasikat siya. Friendly siya.
Eh,
Ang kaya natin early access.
wala, hindi nagagana yun.
Hindi na. Ano binayaran mo yun?
Hindi nga pwede ma-ano yun, ma-revoke. Yung ticket lang pwede i-revoke.
Sabi mo pa naman kasi gumana.
Yung ticket ang ano, magkahiwalay ng ticket yun eh.
Oh, hold mami na. Dito mga ganito. Mato. Dami agad ma.
Daddy, tama nga yung sabi ni Ninang Joyce. Daddy.
This video,
Ay, pupunta si Mami doon.
mamili ka na ni.
Wala na akong matay pa.
Din yung nataypan mo, di ba? Ito oh.
Ayoko niyan, rabbit.
Yung pa kinuha kasi yun eh.
Gusto ko yung pang ano yung kontrabida. Wala bang Maleficent na ano?
Malay mo.
Maleficent na headband. Pag may Maleficent na
Pupunta din tayo dun sa Moana. Moana ba yun?
Hindi, doon muna tayo sa Frozen. Yun ang ano eh. Ay, sorry. Yun ang laging sinasabi nila.
Napakaganda dito. Hindi ako mapapagod.
Pero picture muna tayo sa castle. Habang maliwanag pa.
Takas. Hihinaan mo eh. May number 2 yan. Oo, sige, sige. Oh, magre-retouch yung anak mo. Wait lang.
Kaya mo, malaki na yan. Sam, pipicturean kita sa castle.
Baba natin kami.
Gusto niya akong kasama, Mi. Ano? Si Coco yung nila.
What next?
Hey! Well, good morning. Good to see all of you today. Happy birthday! I see your birthday buttons going on. Are you having a lot of fun and adventures today? That is so good to hear. Well, maybe you can try a coconut later. Or what do you like for eating for sweets?
What do you like, sweet?
Cookies. You definitely have to eat all of the cookies, too many today, to celebrate for your birthday. I think that will be so fun. And maybe next time you can come with me to Mutunui to meet Hey Hey, and we can go and have a coconut together, and perhaps a cookie as well. What about you? What do you like?
I like Moses ice cream.
Ice cream? So cookies and ice cream. I think this is gonna be a very good day for you. I'm sure that you were planning on having some of that later, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Wonderful! Yay! You know what? I'm gonna ask my friend Maui to make special fireworks for you tonight. He's up in the sky. He usually is flying around. So I can definitely ask him to make a fireworks show for you tonight. Would that be fun? Yay! Wonderful, my friends. Okay, let's capture this moment together, shall we?
Winter's a good time to stand and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly. My life is too full to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Gumagalaw na. Parang tao.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put it together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stand and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a
Happy snowman?
exactly. My life is too full to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Oh, jumping!
And I see we're celebrating some things today.
Yeah.
It's your birthday.
We both have the same month.
Really?
June
How
1, June
wonderful.
3, June 6.
That's very exciting. Celebrating lots of different things, aren't we? Usually in my schools we celebrate. We like to have a grand feast with lots of dancing. I hope you have lots of yummy food today to celebrate your birthday. Probably something very sweet too for partners. What do you like to have? Oh, I see. For now, would you like to come right over here now? Yung ulit yun, no? Hindi, nakaiulay na kami.
I've destroyed way more of these things than Hope. Whatever, it's not a competition. Leslie, how many more are left?
幾千隻機械蟲已經潛入科技館，依家仲不斷轉緊入。Those are mine。
Magkasawa
數據
sila.
核心出現晒成通稿，關於外星
Lumilit sila na parang microscopic. Di ka ba nakapanood yan?
All over Tony Town. You're already disappointing me. Well, I was just giving you a nickname. Bye.
Chiến tranh值嘅賓客去緊車庫，準備上突擊戰車。
Uhulugan ng daddy mo, pre.
Hi, hello!
okay? Nawala yung practice na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and one more picture. Okay.
Is everyone going to join?
Yes,
Come on
of
in,
course.
everyone. You all look so happy.
呢個係 我要叫平排先。平係啊，因為佢 sorry。 Okay. Gorgeous. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and one more picture. Yay! Thank you.
Bye, friends. Bye.
Oh no, oh no. Dr. Sam, remember that they don't want to save you. If you can come back, bye bye to love. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of smiling face right here. Oh, don't feel scary. Here's a Freddy village, okay? You can hear the drums to welcome you guys, right? Yeah. Let's say hello to the people right here. Maybe there's some surprise for us. Hello! Anyone see it?
Ayun, ayun o.
Wow! The people went down! Woo! So suddenly! Whoa! Sorry!
Nagulat naman si
I think
Daddy
they want to give you guys a
Pagula.
souvenir too.
May tribo.
Yeah, this is, yeah, anyone got a souvenir from that? No? Oh, don't feel sad. Yeah, because you can come and adventure with me or Honest Perkins to try to get a souvenir, okay? Wow! Let me get my hands on! Wow! Oh no! Heavy right now. I haven't been here before. Maybe we can exit from there. What can we do? Maybe can we go back? The big thousand is lost. What can we do? But there's fire. I've been within the fire. Angry. Maybe can you get in? Someone help me. It's quiet now. Fire is on the water. I think the fire is coming. Okay. Oh, can you hear who said? Oh, don't worry. I think he's still learning how to shout, right?
Vloggers of the new generation. Vloggers of the new generation.
Tagapan natin next time, dalawa lang bumalik dito. Na. Iwanan natin yung dalawa, tayong dalawa bumalik dito. Cable car again.
Mahilig kami sa cable car ng mami mo.
Oo nga, di mahaba nga.
30 minutes nga yan.
Ay, kaya ito yung longest, di? Longest talaga sa buong mundo. Parang sa atin, di wala masyadong cable car eh. Ayun, di yung Buddha.
Golden Buddha.
Hindi na siya gold di eh.
grasa na siya. Ay, nako, patay si Mimi. Para sa kakainin nila yung coach mo.
Akit pa yan ng bundok. Dali. Voucher redemption. Dito tayo, voucher redemption. Meron na tayong voucher.
Di parang Philippine Arena. Kamukha. Pakawi. Wanna swimming? No kids?
Haba oh. Boom. We're going to the mountains.
Napatingin agad doon si Coco Dio. Ay, capybara tuloy.
Kong ting.
There.
Mga ano?
Labo ng mata mo. Bala ka dyan.
It's not sweet. Where?
I don't know.
We will arrange aid to tankets to meet happen. Thank you for your attention. 请留意，我们会安排每个车厢乘坐8到10人。ただいま大混雑しています。ゴンドラの定員は8人から10人に配置します。お客様をご協力お願いします。그리고 객실의 여러 명에서 10명의 손님을 배치할 것입니다. 들어주셔서 감사합니다.
Dati ba't may pagitan yung pagsasakay nila?
Siyempre yung crystal to eh. Yung may kita yung sahig. Mahal yung bayad.
Hindi tayo pinapaano doon. Ay,
Ito, nauna pa to. Tingnan mo yung sahig ng pag normal. Bakal yung sahig. Hindi mo kita yung ano.
Mas okay na yan, hindi mo kita yung babae. Mahilig kayo sa nakakatakot, no?
Adventure nga eh.
Nakalagay ba yun doon sa akin mo, mo?
Hmm.
Clear lang.
Clear.
Ano na malalaman mo?
Magkaiba yung kulay na to.
Crystal Palace.
Nililinis.
kailangan makuha natin yung picture natin yun.
Bakit parang random nila binibigay? Huwag kang papayag pag hindi tayo ganun.
Yan yung crystal yan, oh. Yan ang salamin ng sakit.
Blue yung bracelet nila, di nalalaman nila sa
Ay, yellow.
Pag pink kaya.
請留意，我哋會安排每個車廂乘坐巴士10人。We will arrange 8 to 10 guests each cabin. Thank you for your attention.
Ganun yung atin dapat eh.
我们会安排每一张坐8到10人。เราจะจัดแถวแบบทุกคนในแต่ละห้องโดยสารขอบคุณสำหรับความสนใจของคุณ Ayusin namin ang wayo hanggang 10 mga bisita sa bawat cabin.
Oh, Tagalog yun ah.
Salamat sa iyong pansin.
Google.
Salamat sa inyo. Ang bilis ng pag-ikot, di, pero ang bagal ng cable car.
Maraming cable car.
Oh my gosh. Look, there's plants.
Nakakatakot kami.
And there's a car. And then the tree. And then the mountains.
See? We're flying.
Yeah. Look, this is abandoned. I think this is abandoned. Ooh, I don't like to
To look down.
yeah, to look down. I can't read when it's too fast to go down. I can't.
It's not going like that too fast. It's just gonna be like this. You can stand up and look.
Or else you're gonna drown, mommy.
I'm not gonna drown.
If you drop, it's dangerous. We're gonna drown. I think so.
See? We're under the sea.
Yeah. Look, I think
Eh
this
kung
is
hindi siya back and forth, ibababa ka lang doon, tapos ano mangyayari?
Lalaki ako. Lalaki may mundo.
Kolokoy ka.
Look, the trees.
Ah, baka may dough. Dough cruise. Girl.
Look, there's bunch of trees. We're not going to the forest. We're going up here.
Oh my gosh.
Ni-enjoy ko yung view eh.
Ako din eh.
Kaya na-enjoy mo. Kitang-kita naman lahat oh.
This is too fast.
Ito na, aakyat na tayo.
Nakaalala, tiyawa di ang ganda naman.
Oo nga. Aakyat na tayo ni.
Ng bundok.
Ano yan, the oil factory? Anong lalaki?
Nakaplanta ng ano, something, liquids. Any liquids.
Look,
Yan na. 5 kilometer na.
it's still
Malayo ba
going.
yun?
It's still going pa, oh.
We're still going pa ba? I think we're going baba na.
No, it's still going.
I wanna go down.
No.
Ay.
I wanna jump!
Who about that we're gonna break the water, bro?
Ang dal-dal nito.
Who about that we're gonna break the big ocean, bro?
Madaldal tong banso.
Who about when we eat the seeds? Who about when we
Wow.
eat the
Look!
See?
Huwag mo ngayong kape ko rin. Masarap magkape dito.
Huh? You want to stay here?
safe to kasi dalawa yung wire.
Look, there's balls.
Matanggal yung isa, may isa pa.
Meron pa rin.
Can you have one?
Safe kaya tong ano na to?
Mommy, can you have one?
Doon natin, ano ulit?
Ano kaya ang view ng pagtaas ng bundok?
Look, there's bunch of
Naditok-tok
balls.
ng bundok, ang view. Lokoy.
Look, people's not there.
30 minutes na to? I don't feel it's 30 minutes. 15 minutes balikan. 15:50. Tapos pupuntahan pa natin yung Buddha, di na?
Pupunta nga sa Buddha to eh.
Look,
Grabe, ang ganda ng road.
look, oh. There's bunch of
Of what?
like houses.
Tsaka ang galing na din may pumapasok na
1, 2, 3,
hangin.
4, 5, 6,
Butas
7,
may
8.
screen.
Hindi, dito oh. May pumapasok na hangin.
Look, there's more than here. I don't know.
Mahilig talaga ang mga puti sa ganyan, no? Yung iisa-isa. Pag nadisgrasya ka niyan, patay ka na eh. Wala kang kasama eh.
Walang magliligtas sa'yo.
Wala.
Nasa ulap ni oh.
Ulap na, no?
Sobrang taas.
Look, the ocean.
Ocean!
An ocean. And bahay.
This is a forest, dense forest. You call it dense forest.
Dance.
Yeah.
And what happened? That guy's gonna fall off to there.
No, she's not. He's not. He's a professional.
And there's no
Trekker.
There's no.
Dun siya lalakad pag ano. Grabe, no? Sarap na.
Sarap.
Na mahirap.
Kaya lang, hindi uubra pagkasama mo tong dalawa.
Ayaw talaga namin.
Babalik tayo dito, tayong dalawa lang.
I'm tired.
Mga KJ tong mga eri eh.
Pag sa Japan, kahit hanggang ano pa kami, hanggang midnight.
Look, this is the Philippines.
Philippines.
I don't know it's the Philippines.
Puwet mo.
Okay, pull back your wet tae.
Loko.
It's going to there. We're going back. Look, they're going. Oh, they're cleaning.
Cleaning.
I think they're cleaning. It's not. It's nice.
Ayun yung bahay ni ano, Buddha. Ayun yung bahay ni Buddha. Kulay-pula. Right there.
Where?
Mag-ano kanina? Paano mag-iisip ka? No? Paano nabuo yung bundok? No? Paano siya naging ganun?
About this. It's so
Napakagaling talaga nila.
dusty. Look. Look at that
Ang
one
lalaki ng
thing.
bundok eh, no? Tataas.
Look at the things.
That's
Hindi
cloud!
naman, hindi naman pwedeng umulan ng lupa, ano?
Hindi.
How? What has happened when we die? This is a smoke.
It's not, it's cloud.
We're on the clouds. See?
I
We're
don't
on the
like to go
clouds.
to the clouds.
Why? It's the cloud, touch it, feel it.
Sarap oh, lamig.
Lamig!
Lamig.
Lamig yung clouds.
Sarap no, clouds no.
How clouds have cold clouds?
Yeah, it's having small
Because
water.
it's made of water.
Made of water and
Yeah.
feel fresh.
Grabe. It's kinda made of water.
Like made
I
of
just don't know
fresh.
how to elaborate.
Di sabi nila sobrang bigat daw ng ulam. Pag tinry mong buhatin.
Look, they're going to us.
Yeah.
They're
Ito
trying
yung last nung lalakarin ng
catch
ano, no?
us.
Hikers na. Lalabas siya rito.
Ang sarapan.
Look, they're going to us. They're catching us. And then we're gonna freeze. They're like,
Doon tayo pupunta. Sa Buddha.
stay here.
May mga something here eh. Oh.
People is here. We almost see it.
Mumping 360. Ito na yata babaan.
The clouds.
Aba na.
I don't like to go to the clouds.
You're so ingay, girl. Kaya mga bata. Oh, get your ano natin.
I'm scared of that.
yan, yung maliit na huwag masasanayin ng puro bilihan. Kaya na mata. Study.
I don't have any carton.
Nilaki ng ano, adenium. Yan, puno.
Kaya yung ba to? Iba yung ano eh.
Why you not giving me all time at
Color
school?
Chacha. What is color Chacha?
No. Mommy, why you not
Coco, later na mag-buy. Always want buying eh, later. Come here.
Come on.
Last time, why you didn't not buy me a toy?
Pag-uwi tayo bibili.
When we go home, I don't have any enough to open.
Biryani, ate.
Biryani?
Oo nga.
Indian food.
Mamaya pagtanghalian.
Ayun, may biryani. Tagal pa hindi ko makain biryani.
Ito yung noodles na yun. Iba-iba.
Oh, we need to go to one. I buy you a toy na already.
Doon tayo bibili sa dulo. Otoyin mo doon kami sa dulo.
There's a lot of toys. Yeah, there is pa. So much store pa. There's a lot. Yung mga pagkain, di kuha ka.
Yan, pustiso. At least, may uod. Doon tayo bibili, oh. Maraming toy doon. Doon, oh. Shh. Ni. Okay.
I don't think so because we are not going
Always same mistake we do in Japan, Korea, everything.
Ni ako kesi. Kokesi, oh. Ano kokesi?
Ganda siya.
Buddha.
Let me come back. Always.
Lucky Charm din.
Kokesi, eh.
Hindi naman natin yan ini-embrace eh. Ang design-design niya. Wala kang mga.
Kokesi.
Kaya to?
May agimat yan.
Parang mabigat ah.
Agimat.
Mami, tignan mo to. Ang gaganda. Hindi ah. Parang totoong batuwakan mo. Matigas.
Oh, jade yan, eh. Kaya mahal, eh. Parang jade.
Eto, hindi. Parang kahoy. Di, look. Daddy.
Ito, pwede sa'yo to.
Ayoko.
Agimat yan. Agimat. Ito, mga 150. Pwede na rin. What's that? Kitchen. Wow.
Kitty.
Cool. Kitty. Yan yung year of the dog.
Ito di maganda. Pwede mo lagay ulit sa bag mo para madami tumutan.
Ito, oh, Riri.
Agimat yan.
Ito, Riri, oh.
Bawal ba yan?
Baka ano, Buddhist yan eh. Or Buddhist.
Kahit hindi mo na
Marami tayong pera.
Wow.
Ganyan dati ko.
Tag-isa tayo.
Baka may yung mabili. Nadami.
Tag-isa. Kokesi. Kokesi yan.
Pag wala akong mabila,
Grabe, no? Maliliit, may mga 1,000 din. Psst, makabasag yung anak mo, mapapabili ka nang wala sa oras.
Pwede ito din uwian mo si Nani.
Ano yan, agimat yan. Buddhist yan.
Ay. Lahat bawal?
May Buddha eh.
Ilang budang nakalagay dito?
Buddha. Kokesi ah. Diyos yan eh. Diyos.
maganda sana pag-display, kaya lang.
Ito di ito dyan.
Ngongping. Ngongping cable car. Teka, tawagin mo na. Ngongping.
Mahal pa rin eh.
Zodiac sign yan. May mga significant ano yan eh, kaya mahal eh. Alam mo yan, may kahulugan. Kunin mo na yung anak ko. Makapunta na sa Buddha. Yan yung binibili mo eh, di ba? Kahoy. Bili ka ni. Pag may gusto ka, bumili ka.
Ayoko pag bumili, bakit ito?
Eh kung ayoko naman ng ganyan, anong gagawin ko dyan?
Dati, tingnan mo.
Yung mga bracelet gusto mo.
Ikaw lang. Ayoko, hindi ako nagsusot nun eh.
Dati, tingnan mo.
Ito. Sige na. Bilhin mo na. Hindi ko na masusot. Hindi ko na. Abante. Okay. Bilhin mo na yan. Anin ko ngayon, hindi naman ako nagsusuot nun. Relos lang ako.
Eh, dapat ikaw din meron.
Sa hanap ako sa iba.
Di pag may nahanap ka sa ako.
Ano ba?
Asan na yung isa?
Hanapin mo na yung bunso mo. Ayun o, nandun. Then, akit ka dyan.
Akyatin.
Akit ka dyan.
Ito na
sa
lang
Buddha.
nakakita mo naman. Hindi masulit ni Mami.
即係你係可以有儀式感。
Sushi-dong.
Ito, popcorn. May bili mo siya popcorn. Ayun. Come on, popcorn.
Pag may nakita ka dito dito. T-shirt or something.
The baby.
Subscribe or
Ayan na. Bili mo rin ako yung matamis. Ito, yung may sweet. Ano ba yun? Chocolate? Parang.
Ako may plain.
Caramel.
Caramel akin. Bango ah. Bango.
Upo muna ako dito. Upo ka muna sa
What? Orange.
Because I'm gonna be thirsty every
Okay.
and then
Tumutukan yung anak mo, no? Kaya tuloy spoiled na.
Kaya mo na. Pagka bumalik na ako,
Tapos
wala na.
kapag ako na mahihirapan na.
Kaya mo na
Kaya
yan.
niya, huwag mong spoilin, huwag mong ibigay lahat. Pero pag isa, sige.
Siyempre, ayoko na siyang malungkot na habang nandito. Kung pag umalis na ako,
Tapos pag
malungkot na
umalis ka ako na nagiging kontrabida sa buhay ng mga anak mo.
So, plain lang daw eh. Akin, ano, hati na lang tayo sa matamis. Malaki naman na tayo. Ito, pila. Banana flavor. Salted egg flavor.
Ano mo sa akin? Si Charles Patterson. Ano ba?
Sige.
Kaya naman sa yung price na ganito.
Yan, large. 76 large bag.
There's something colorful up ahead. But I don't think it's working.
Adi, ayan na yung Buddha.
Ah,
Ayun na.
parang restaurant.
Puda. Tanso yan eh.
Naakyat ba yan?
Ha?
Naakyat?
Oo, may hagdan.
Nako, daddy, mahabang lakad.
Yan ang gusto ng mami mo, hiking.
Kasi yun, naiwan na lang kayo sa bahay.
Susunod, dalawa lang tayo talaga. Pagka magta-travel.
Total, malaki na si Riri. Pwede na yan, iiwanan mo silang dalawa.
Mga maraming kadramaan eh, pagkasama eh. Imbis na mag-enjoy kayo, no?
Saka hindi ganun. Pag may binili na kayo, okay na yun. O, hayaan nyo naman yung iba makabili. Hindi ka pa bumili sa Hong Kong Disney. Hindi ka pa bumili sa ganito, Ri. I mean dito. Tapos gusto nyo dalawa-dalawa, Hong Kong Disney, dalawa. Dapat hindi ganun mga anak. Mabili kayo ng isa, okay na. Nabili na ng electric pan, bibili pa ng kitchen. Maawa naman kayo sa magulang nyo. Pa isa-isa lang dapat. Gusto nyo pala, alam nyo may pupuntahan pa. O sige, may isa lang. Kasi,
Ito, karinderya. Oh.
kasi bukas gusto ko doon bumili. O.
Karinderya.
Ito naman. Di ba, Ti? Tama ba yung sinabi ko?
Dito nga tayo sa malapad na daanan. Magsiksikan tayo.
Tama naman yung tinuturo ko, Ti. Pag nakabili ka ng isa, okay na. Huwag ka nang magtampo. Kasi bukas may bibiling ka na naman. Kaya lang, ano kayo eh. Pag yung si Coco may biniling isa, ako din dapat, dalawa. Kailangan minsan magparaya kayo eh. Ngayon, ako ang sacrifice eh. Ayaw akong magbibili eh. Para makatipid-tipid eh.
Animals are allowed except guide dogs. No smoking.
Oh.
Iba gusto nyo, daddy. Iba trip nyo.
Race to the top, ah.
Racing. Okay.
I don't like you. I was some on the sun. I'm the sun.
How dare you to say that? I'm the
Wag
first.
Huwag na umapila para walang iyakan. O, tayong dalawa rin. Tayong dalawa magsasabay.
Sabi naman yung mawawalan taba sa akin dito. So, daddy.
Hiking.
Mami, pagod na agad sila. Nangihina na legs ko dito.
Ay, mo saan siya daw?
Woo!
Daddy, wait lang, pahinga saglit.
Come on. You can do it. Race to mommy. Race.
Daddy, ayoko. Sit tayo, saglit. Sit. Sila. Ay, na ba? Ta. Sida. Yes. Amo na siyo, siya. Jeans.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Sundi. Dito ko. Here. Wait.
Tere.
要不要取帽子？
Re. Come on. Hintayin mo ako.
Ako na yun ako magdadala niya.
Re.
Kailangan sa'yo, kaya ka nahirapan.
这个五文字，二十四件。
Re. Re.
Maraming dumadaan nakasagapan siya eh. Ang pahingahan ka mo sa ganito, yung merong space, hindi sagdan. Akin na yan, tutulungan.
Hindi, okay lang. Grabe oh.
Kita mo, naging maliliit na yung tao sa baba dito.
Pag kay Sagdan Re, nakaharang kayo dyan eh.
Maraming dumadaan, anak eh.
Ay, por fin me igualaste Valeria. Un poquito más alta que yo. Arturito, no molesté a la niña.
Last one.
Oh, hindi na. Ito pala, tiputo.
Oh, they're praying.
Yes. Don't disturb the prayers.
Magic.
Kakapagod
Nakakapagod yun mo. Ginawa natin na.
Labas pawis
Ito
ko.
pa, mayroon pa paakit oh.
Oo.
Kaya akit ako, picturean mo kasi. Ito pa, tag-iisa oh. Tapos akit kaya rin pipicture kita.
Look, mommy, go there.
Ngayon, ka rito.
Because I'm so tired. So tired. Are we actually so tired? Wait, so.
No, pero porque no me sale encima. Claro, después.
Mommy, you know what? I don't know what. Head?
Nasa ulap tayo, oh. Tagpa sa ulap.
Perfect.
Okay, don't push me. Oh, wait.
Why are you always running to them? That's fine. Gusto ko mga isinasama mo, imbes na mag-i-engage.
Kukonsumi ka eh, no?
Stop crying, I don't touch. Oo nga, mas ito pa nagustuhan ko eh, kaysa sa Disney. Mas gusto ko Disney. Ito ang pinaka... Para akong napunta sa ibang mundo.
Sa akin kasi gusto ko talaga
Tingnan mo ito parang sa pelikula oh. Grabe ko ng buto mo.
Tinatanim nila yun.
Parang kami
Oh,
ang...
nasa ulap na tayo. Ulap.
Grabe!
Parang kami ang niragaluhan mo sa birthday
It's
mo.
so unreal.
Di ba dapat kami magregalo sa iyo? Pero
This time, Aussie.
nagregalo sa
Yung
akin.
Aussie, yan o, nagpapakain. Sila nagre-regalo. Baliktad.
Thank you, T. Sa napakagandang birthday, Daddy. Ano mo sa amin. Thank you very
I
much.
want this aircon so I can.
This aircon, you see aircon.
Better than aircon.
You see the aircon? Very big aircon.
Not expensive toys. I will follow you whenever you will go loco. Anong poor? No, only for toy.
Why you not buy me?
Ayan mo yung maganda.
Anong rich toy?
Thing.
Because I'm not rich.
Who about Daddy?
No, Dad is not rich also.
I am rich up loving you.
Can you buy me a rich things?
Oh,
Okay.
you want flowers? Mahal pala.
Yan, mura lang. 15 lang. Kites.
May bubbles din. Bawal bubbles dito, kolokol. Ba't sila nagbebenta?
Look, a cute candy.
Wait lang ka po, hindi natin makita kung ilan.
Look, there's look, a red tree. Red tree. Look, what is this? Why the big trees? Look, they're going there. Maybe I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Restroom?
Yeah.
Later. There's no restroom here.
Such a
Yung ba to? Ganito wala namang maalon ba?
O, inaalog niya. Ay, naalis na ni. Naalis na yung angkla.
Saan yung show? Pwede ba yun? Inaalog yung barko? Ha? Okay.
Hindi naman tululog yun.
Saan na yung show? Saklak na. Ayun, baka itong building na to.
Yung mga building ang ilang. Pero nakita mo, yung mga laser.
Kuya, hawakan niyo ang kapatid mo.
Lagyan mo naman sa center. Yan yung inihintay nila ni yung solo. Symphony of Lights Tower. Yun yung mga gusto na ng dito. Pumupunan sila dito. Sarap hangin eh.
Bakit daw umaano-ano? Nag-iwag-iwag maraming alon.
Lahat ng building may mga